out of sight, out of mind. Good day you all. I noticed that most of us don't look up our roof or don't look at the solar panel or don't even think of solar panel cleaning or didn't heard of solar panel cleaning before. So today I'll share with you in this video about solar panel cleaning, process of solar panel cleaning, the equipment that we use to clean our solar panel, our client solar panel, the process that we as a solar panel cleaning company, how we clean your solar panel, what type of equipment that we use, and what are the tips that you need to know when you hire solar panel cleaning company or you want to do it by do it yourself. You are the weekend warrior, DIY warrior, then you can have these steps to clean your solar panel as well. Is one of the tips for maintain your solar panels. For us, we use we use the proper equipment to clean our solar panel, our client solar panels, and we want to have the proper equipment to maintain that investment of our client, because they spend $10,000 of dollars, $10, $20, $30,000, $40,000 in solar panels system that they invest. They install on the roof to save them money on the electric bill over time. So we want to maintain their panels and want to have the proper equipment to do the proper job. So this array over here, you can notice that the panels are very done, been cleaned for quite some time, for several haven't been cleaned. So we take a look and we visual inspect the panels first. That's the first thing that we do when we get to the job site. We visual inspect the panels for condition, for the proper, to make sure that all the panels are in good condition. Then we spray down the panels or rinse down the panels with DI water. Why we do that? We want to remove majority of dirt and debris, heavy dust and debris on the panels first, to minimize the chance of scratching the panels when we use the cleaning brush directly on the panel when all the panels are dry. So when we rinse down the panels, those dirt and debris are removed or rinsed off the panels, and that water acts as a layer of protection to help our brush when we clean it slide on the panels easier. So we rinse down all the panels with DI water. Only we don't use tap water. So what is DI water? So first off, DI water is filter water. You can compare this water with distilled water. So water filter out all the mineral contained in the tap water. So tap water has calcium, chlorine, all that mineral. When you use only tap water, after your panels are dry, water spot on your solar panel, it doesn't look good and it doesn't clean the panel properly. So with DI water, we rinse it, we clean it, we brush your panel down, let it air dry. We don't use squeegee or towel to dry your panels, because that will leave residue on your solar panel and it will attract more dirt later on. We don't use any chemical or solution on your panels because those are not managed by installer. We just use DI9 water. DIY warrior, and you want to do the minimum, you can use your we recommend you to get the DI system to clean your solar panel properly, and also use the soft brush on your solar panel. I saw some would use the mop and squeegee and also use soap and solution chemical on the panels, but those would damage your solar panel and void the warranty. Those are not recommended. If you want to do it right, just use DI water, soft brush, and that's pretty much the two most important equipment or tool for you to maintain your solar panel properly: DI water and soft brush. And in this over here, after we rinse it, we use our rotary brush in this project. It's a J Racing stand rotary brush. It's been known in the industry. does a great job as removing heavy dust, dirt, debris, and pigeon droppings. So we love this brush, and we've been using this brush for many projects, and the result amazing. Now it's clear out dirt, debris, pigeon dropping. Doesn't matter how heavy the pigeon dropping is. This brush does an amazing job at cleaning those dirty panels. And we go over your panels multiple times, 2 to 3 times minimum. After we go over your panel 2-3 times, we let your panel dry. So here's a tip: when you hire a company come out to clean your solar panel, make sure that they have the proper equipment to clean your panels. What type of brush that they have, what type of water system that they use. Just some cleaner or weekend cleaner or the seasonal cleaner, they come out just with whatever equipment that they have. Just buy a brush and then garden hose and just use water out of your garden hose to clean your panels, and they can charge you very low rate. But that's not the proper way to clean your solar panel. We have the proper tool. We invest in our tool thousands and thousands of dollars in our equipment to clean solar panel and to maintain client solar panels, because that's our client investment too. So we want to invest in the tool, in the right equipment, in the proper equipment to maintain our client investment, and making sure that those panels, those investments of our client would last for many years. The cleaner clean your solar panel, making they do the proper job. Some requesting before and after picture. And here's another tip: when the cleaner take picture right after they clean it, when the panels are wet, the picture look amazing. It look like a mirror, and you can see that every panels look clean, very clean. But the proper way to making sure that if cleaner did a proper job or not, if they do the good job, the right job or not at cleaning, as for the picture when the panels are dry. That's when you can tell that if cleaner, technician did a proper job. Because that is when panels show that if the technician clean your panel properly, did the panel have any missed spot, they can see the brush mark, missing spot is still dirty, all of that stuff. So for us, as a company, we clean your panel, we go over your panels multiple times, we wait for your panels dry, and then we take picture. We visual inspect your panels again to making sure that all the panels are clean, because we want to making sure that your investment are well taken care of and your investment are well spent, because we as a company, we want to buy that premium service. That's why we're not the cheapest one in town, but we're making sure that your panels are properly clean and properly maintained with the proper and proper trained technician to do the job right at the first time. So after we clean it, we visual inspect it, and if we see that your panel are still dirty or we see a missed spot, we will go and clean your panels again, because we have the proper equipment to do the job fast and efficient. Proper cleaning your solar panel fast and efficient. That's why we can go over your panels multiple times. If we see missed spot, we'll go clean your solar panel again to ensure that your money well spent, your investment are well taken care of. And we want to take care of our client because our client take care of us. So if you are in the area of Fresno County or nearby city and in need of our services, besides solar panel cleaning, we also do pigeon proofing around solar panel, pigeon spike or bird spike on the roof peak, and we also do roof and gutters cleaning. You can give us a call at HuuCal Solar Panel Cleaning. Our phone number is 559-663-0299. Again, that's number 559-663-0299. We can schedule a day to come out and meet you, and schedule a day to come out on the solar panel. Our team, our company, and we take care of our client because our client take care of us. Thank you for stopping by. If you Have any comment or question, leave it in the comment question. We'll get back to you. Have a wonderful day. Take care. Be safe. And thank you for stopping by.